Hi, this is Written Total Parts Pro. Today with 2017 Ford Escape, stock on the 7008. It's run for the night 2016 to 1520. This is a ZG 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a ZG 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory mega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 2 dents. Left rear door 2 dents. Left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,